Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another video for our live trading room. Today I have chosen to start with gold. Even having a late entry close to our resistance area, you can see that we were waiting a much more higher settings retracement, and this is exactly what it happened. So after a really nice M48, we had an M24. So with an entry here of like 80, 90, maybe 100 pips, you can see price, first of all, we had the room to create a win-win scenario. Price moved to 400 plus pips and it's still going. So you see price could retrace a little bit more and continue. We stay in, of course, we already have 4 times our APO, and all we need is patience. Another pair was USD CAD. We had a very powerful trend line coming from much more higher settings. We said, if you remember on the live room, that you have two options. Either you go with a bounce or a higher settings, 1 to 3, that is like M48, and this is exactly what happened. We read the history. We see that price retraced till 36 EMA. So if you went short with a bounce, like we said, that was, let's delete that. The entry around here with an APO of again like maybe 34, 50 pips, price moved 120, 110. Win-win scenario easily. Also, for more conservative approach, we have already said on our live room that you can go with a conservative setup with a nice 1 to 3, and this is exactly what happened. So in this case, if we take the bounce, we have more than twice our APO. And I will close with DAX. We already know with DAX that we don't have any prior history to that. Here was the area that price started to retrace. We already know we want to go long with a conservative approach, with much more lower risk or lower settings entry, because we don't have the history. So that means we don't know how far long we can go. And with lower settings, you can see even on M6, we had a really nice opportunity. We do want to follow the trend, and this was a really good opportunity with like 20, 25 pips. Price is already 200 plus, 230, 233. So instead of waiting for an M12 with lower risk, we can go to M6 and also lower risk, like I said before, since we don't know how far we can go. So in this case, we had almost 10 times our APO and our win-win scenario. So with only these 3 pairs that I showed you, we had 15 times our APO, like 730 pips. So once more, I think that looks really, really good. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Stay safe and see you on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Cheers, everybody.